There is a particular quality of light in Florence that belongs only to its highest vantage points, a light that arrives unhurried, filtered through centuries of architecture and cypress-lined hills, settling finally upon those rare spaces elevated enough to receive it fully. This penthouse near Piazzale Donatello understands that light intimately, occupying the third floor of an impeccably maintained building from the 1960s, that decade of Italian design confidence, when construction carried genuine civic pride. The apartment unfolds across 2 levels and 193 square meters of meticulously reimagined living space. A complete and uncompromising renovation has transformed what was already an exceptional shell into something altogether more arresting. A residence where every surface, every junction, every carefully considered detail speaks to a restrained but unmistakable sophistication. The entrance draws you in with immediate authority. The open kitchen, genuinely habitable, genuinely remarkable, commands the ground floor with a presence that blurs the line between culinary function and spatial theater. Fitted with appliances of the latest generation and finished with materials chosen for both beauty and endurance, it becomes less a room and more a statement of intent about how this home expects to be lived in. From here, the generous double reception room extends naturally, breathing outward through a balcony that offers the first of the apartment's connections to the Florentine air beyond its walls. The bedroom arrangement on this level has been conceived with equal care. 2 double rooms anchor the private quarters, one of which assumes the character of a true master suite, a composed and unhurried space complete with an ensuite bathroom and a dedicated wardrobe that doubles, should life demand it, as a third bedroom. The craftsmanship throughout these rooms is evident not in ostentation, but in precision. Bespoke cabinetry, fitted with interior illumination, joinery that sits as flush and confident, storage solutions so elegantly integrated they seem to have always been there. An additional bathroom and thoughtfully positioned built-in wardrobes complete a floor that manages the difficult art of feeling both spacious and intimate simultaneously. Then comes the staircase, and with it, the apartment's most quietly extraordinary revelation. The upper level rises to meet a dedicated retreat of rare atmosphere, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a pocket terrace that opens to one of the most quietly affecting views this city can offer. Fiesole sits in the middle distance, the hills rolling in that particular Tuscan grammar of olive groves and terracotta rooftops, the whole composition shifting its mood with the hours, gold in the late afternoon, silver blue in the early morning, darkly romantic as evening descends. This terrace is not an amenity, it is an argument for a certain way of inhabiting the world. The lighting throughout the apartment deserves particular consideration. Rather than illumination as afterthought, it has been designed as architecture in its own right, a system of carefully layered sources that draws attention to volume, texture, and form, creating atmospheres that shift from the clarity needed for living to the warmth demanded by evening. Each architectural detail finds its moment under this considered choreography of light, built in an era that believed in permanence, served by a lift and positioned within a distinguished residential building that has aged with genuine grace. This is a penthouse that occupies a very specific and irreplaceable position between the animated cultural pulse of one of Florence's most storied neighborhoods and the elevated stillness that only height and careful design can truly deliver.